Hey everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to deposit checks using your USAA Bank mobile app. Let's get started. Open the app and log in. First, open the USAA Bank mobile app on your phone and log into your account. Tap on Deposit. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Deposit option and tap on it. Select Deposit into Bank Account. You'll be taken to a new screen. Tap on Deposit into Bank Account to begin. Take photos of the check. Now, follow the instructions to take clear photos of both the front and back of your check. Make sure the images are well lit and all corners are visible. Choose the account. Tap on the To option to choose the bank account where you want the check deposited. Enter the amount. Enter the dollar amount exactly as written on the check. Tap on Deposit. Once everything looks good, tap the Deposit button, it should appear in green, to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully deposited your check using the USAA Bank app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.